Starting around 17 September 2023, Cardano sort of is exchanging at 25 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.17% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a by and large significant manner. ADA in a real sense has a truly all-out market cap of $8,802,233,574, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $75,329,876, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. This generally makes Cardano, ADA, exceptionally positioning at 7 in the digital currency market. Or so they generally thought. In the event that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what essentially is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Cardano truly be fundamentally worth in 2023? Or so they by and large thought. Is Cardano a sort of wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Which really is genuinely huge. Will ADA cost especially outperform its unsurpassed high in a by and large significant manner? These in a real sense are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future. Or so they generally thought. Cardano, ADA, value expectation 2023. As per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ADA cost basically is supposed to explicitly cross a very normal value level of 34 cents, the normal genuinely least value worth of Cardano, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to for the most part be 33 cents, which generally is very huge. Besides, ADA can essentially arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 37 cents. Cardano value estimate August 2023, the in every practical sense, normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could generally go to 31 cents toward the finish of August 2023. Essentially further appearance how Cardano value gauge August 2023, the exceptionally normal cost of Cardano, ADA, could commonly go to 31 cents toward August 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner's end. ADA could basically be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 31 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 28 cents, or so they especially thought. Cardano value gauge September 2023, in September 2023, the greatest cost for Cardano could for the most part stretch around 33 cents in a kind of enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in September 2023 basically is 30 cents, with a really normal cost of 31 cents, kind of additional appearance. How additionally ADA can truly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of 37 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value conjecture October 2023, in October 2023, the cost of Cardano in a real sense is supposed to in every practical sense be at around at least 31 cents, which basically is very critical. Cardano cost can generally arrive at a truly limit of 34 cents, with the especially normal cost of 32 cents in United States dollars, showing that most certainly is Cardano, a truly wise venture or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023. Cardano value figure November 2023, in November 2023. The cost of Cardano basically is supposed to basically be at around at least 32 cents in a quite large manner. Cardano cost can arrive at a genuinely limit of 36 cents, with the really normal cost of 33 cents in United States dollars, in an especially significant way. Cardano value gauge December 2023, in December 2023, the genuinely most extreme cost for Cardano could in a real sense stretch around 37 cents in a genuinely large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ADA in December 2023, especially is 33 cents with an extremely normal cost of 34 cents, showing the way that Cardano cost can by and large arrive at a limit of 36 cents with the typical cost of 33 cents in United States dollars. Cardano genuinely passed value examination and the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 0.35% in its extremely current worth, or so they in every practical sense thought. In the event that we truly look at the exceptionally current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can fundamentally see that the market cap really is likewise down, showing how assuming you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano explicitly be genuinely worth in 2023? Which especially is genuinely huge. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the ADA sort of was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.24%. which really is very huge. Cardano fundamentally has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and contribute, which certainly shows that on the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2023. What will Cardano for the most part be essentially worth in 2023 in an essentially significant manner? Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA by and large diminished by 44.049%, taking out an incredible essentially normal amount of 20 cents from its sort of current worth in a very enormous manner. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a great basically purchase and open door for sort of speedy venture, or so they explicitly thought. The 90 days cost change truly is near 33.99%, and the cost certainly flowed from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of 37 cents to truly greatest by and large normal cost of 39 cents. In the beyond 90 days, in an especially enormous manner, Cardano truly is somewhere near 6.87%, with the sort of most extreme in every practical sense. Normal cost of the coin sort of was around 27 cents, and the base genuinely normal cost of certainly was around 26 cents in essentially beyond 4 months, showing how Cardano truly passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto really has been diminished by 0.35% in its truly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value figure 2023 facts. What will truly be Cardano exceptionally worth in 2023? Which sort of is genuinely critical. The ADA cost for the most part is gauged to basically arrive at an extremely greatest degree of 37 cents, with genuinely least cost of 33 cents. Toward the finish of 2023, so inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of ADA generally diminished by 44.049%, taking out an incredible pretty normal amount of 20 cents from its truly current worth, which generally is genuinely critical. Does Cardano generally have a future? Which sort of is very huge. As far as value, Cardano basically has a remarkable in every practical sense potential to especially arrive at new levels, exhibiting how on the off chance that we generally look at the by and large current market cap of the ADA with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap sort of is likewise down, showing how assuming that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Cardano cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Cardano in a real sense be truly worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? It sort of is figure that ADA will increment in esteem, which explicitly is very critical. As indicated by kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts, Cardano can generally raise a ruckus around town greatest cost of $12.87 till 2030. Really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Cardano worth purchasing in 2023 in a huge manner? Cardano's worth explicitly is supposed to in a real sense keep on extending, as deficiency will